Hello, welcome to the Pure Health Direct YouTube channel. Today we have with us practitioner Wade Stiller from Northside Wellness Clinic at Petrie in Brisbane, Queensland. Welcome, Wade.
Thanks, Jeff.
G'day. We're discussing a new product called Testojack. What is Testojack, Wade?
Okay, Testojack's a herbal formula. It's also got some cofactors in there as well that help support men's sexual health and prostate health as well. Really, this formula is specific towards boosting energy and virility without giving the side effects of insomnia and anxiety that can occur with some of these type of products.
Wade, what does Testojack contain?
Okay, yeah, the three main herbs that are in there is Eleutherococcus, we've got some Tribulus and Tomcat Ali, which most of our listeners would probably be aware of these herbs. It also has quite a good dose of zinc in there. It's got some magnesium and B6 as well.
Okay, now what's Testojack used for, Wade?
Well, it's called Testojack, so most people have probably worked out testosterone production within the body, as well as potency for males and sex drive.
Okay. Yeah. And how does it work, mate?
How does it work? Well, the herbs alone are pretty well known for increasing testosterone within the body. Also, switching off or limiting the conversion of that testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, which is something we have to watch out for prostate health. We don't want too much of that around. So the herbs increase the testosterone. The cofactors of zinc, magnesium, B6, they're all helping to keep it all at safe levels. And at the same time, we're getting that increase in virility and sex drive as well.
Okay.
Which is perfect.
That's terrific.
Yes.
Is there any relevant research on Testojack?
Look, there's no research specifically for Testojack, the product, but of course there's tons of clinical trials and non-clinical trials that are out there, all based on the three herbs, the Eleutherococcus, the Tribulus, Tomcat Ali, just showing that these are herbs that are specific for men's reproductive health as a whole.
Okay. Does it interact with any other medications, Wade?
It's not going to interact and potentiate any other medications as such, but one thing we do want to look at is the fact that there's a reasonable amount of zinc in there, which of course can discourage or decrease the absorption of antibiotics. So when you're taking Testojack, if you're on antibiotics as well, make sure you take them at different times of the day.
Okay. So does Testojack have any side effects?
Look, again, because there's a high amount of zinc in there, nausea, if you're taking it on an empty stomach, can be a side effect. Really, if you take the product and say 10-15 minutes later just whack in some food, just a small amount of food, chances are there'll be no side effects. No.
Okay. What are the dosages?
Okay. Yep. Simple. Two capsules, either once or twice a day, depending on what's needed, and of course, supervision by your healthcare practitioner is always recommended.
Okay. Well, thank you for visiting us on our Pure Health Direct YouTube channel. If you want to know any more about men's health, you can go to purehealthdirect.com, or you can actually contact one of our practitioners on 1300 885 348. Thank you very much.